My clients had every intention of putting up a structure to protect this backwashing filter from freezing, but then winter got here before the project was complete, and it got down to 12 degrees. Even the drive cap broke, which was a little surprising. The freeze plug, not so much. Alright guys, so we had a catastrophic failure due to freezing. But is this a teachable moment? I think it is. I want to ask a few questions and see what you think. So, we're all familiar, right, that the worm gear is connected to the piston, like this. And it moves back and forth. And the way it's allowed to move back and forth is when the main drive gear spins 2 directions, right? Okay. First question. Is it possible that water inside of the control valve froze and expansion forced everything to move, dislocating the drive gear from its assembly? That might be possible. That's not what I think happened. I think the unit went into regeneration. So let's just start from the beginning, right? So the motor started to spin, making contact with this gear, which is one of 3 reducing gears. And this gear makes contact with the main drive gear. Frozen piston means nothing's going to move, but the drive gear is going to spin, and, well, we know what happened. It broke. Now, I've never tried to pry a brand new drive gear from its assembly to see how much force it takes to break. But now I want to. I want to know how much force it takes, because I think this is a testament to the power of this motor, the Clack valve in general, and just the overall engineering. I think it's superior to other valves. And in my experience, I see far less seized pistons on Clack valves when compared to other valves on the market. There's no question. And when I see something like this happen, I just have to ask myself, well, isn't this what I want in a control valve? I want to be able to power through resistance that's going to take place in here, particularly when we talk about iron. But we can talk about lots of hardness. We can talk about sediment. I don't always put a pre-filter before a backwashing control valve. It depends on the application. But I want something that can power through and move this piston and put that unit into regeneration. What do you think? Am I reaching? Am I biased? I certainly am a little biased towards the Clack valve. Water dealers, technicians, professionals, I want to know what you think. Leave it in the comments.